Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A11 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the FastBoot mode on this device. First we need to turn off our phone. To do it, press and hold the power button, then tap on the power off option and tap on it again to confirm. After the device turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together. And when the Samsung logo appears on the screen, we can release both buttons. After a few seconds, we should enter the recovery menu. Let's use the volume down button to scroll down and select the option called Reboot to Bootloader. Then press the power button to confirm. As you can see, our phone entered the FastBoot mode. To move through the menu, right here, use the volume up and volume down buttons. In this menu, we have options like Start, Restart Bootloader, Recovery Mode, Power Off, and we're back to Start. Of course, to confirm the selections, press the Power button. To exit this menu, select Start or Power Off, and then press the Power button to continue. And if it enters a recovery menu again, simply select Reboot System Now option and press the power button to confirm. And that's how you enter the FastBoot mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.